take shelter.
Very true, Zhongli. We should.
You catching a cold.
Should. I get it. I get it. Okay, anyways. Let's do this. Oh, Christ. It's up here as well. Ho ho ho! では十分しかせん。What? Shao! Why you land like that? Let's... What the hell? Give me this! God damn it. Oh! Oh! Stop Rutsuna! Soru! Oh! What? I have to go on top of here? Ooh! What the hell? What the hell? Now this is getting interesting. Stop. Stop. Too far. Too far, Zhongli. Too far. Okay, I got it. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Nice. Nice. New record, am I right? New record! Dude, I'm able to do with like, what, 1,300, like, I was doing like, so I did like Benny's ult, right? I had a Zhongli's ult up, right? And I had a Yoimiya's ult procced on the enemy. I didn't do her E first, but you're kind of supposed to do her E first, but I think it was still on. But I did her ult. I did like 1,300. Wait. 130. 130k. 130,000 with my queen, if you may. It's crazy. I was able to do that much damage. I didn't know I was able to do that. I mean, like that's the thing. The limits are limitless, bro. Like the thing about Raiden is that you basically have like, so with her ult, it's just free reign. It's free gain. Hola, niño. Ah. Ugh.
Shine down.
Huh, that didn't work. Ah! Kidding. Ah. Bang. Who's next? You. Bang. Who's next? No, seriously. Where's the others? There's one more. It's hiding in plain sight. Just kidding. It's right there. Wow. That's it. What the hell? Oh, I'm freezing. So I gotta go here as well. There's a lot of these, bro. There's a ton. Oh, Bennett, you missed. You idiot. Like a god. I mean, they literally are a god. I like how the entire point of like the story is that, hey, don't give away your Gnosis. They stole it from Venti. They bargained it and made a contract with Zhongli, and then he gave it up. And then with Raiden, right? She was like, yeah, I don't want this anymore. So she gave it to Ye. And then Ye was like, oh Christ, the traveler's gonna die. Hey, Scaramouche, you want this, right? Yeah, take this instead. And then they took it, and then they left. So that's basically it. Literally, like, 1, stolen. 2, bargained for it. 3, gave it away. Well, yeah, I'm trying. Give me a sec. Is it in the cave? Doesn't seem like it's in a cave. It was somewhere out here, and I missed it. Oh. And the other one is where? Bruh. Ah. Toshkani.
Let's light it up.
Benny Bo. Benny. Benny the Bokinda. Spatsta. And then there's just dead silence. Because this guy's fucking stupid. It's a fucking... So currently on Yoi and Mia, I have a stringless on her. Because I don't want to put this on her. Because it's just, I don't know. It seems not for her. It's all wood. Not my thing. Sacrificial bow seems good. Yeah, that's the thing. I still got more things to you know. Whatever.
Conquering demons is what I do. Sounds good to me.
Yeah, Skyward Blade on this fool. Benny the Benny Bowl. Spasta. Easy. Organized. Fixed it. Everything is fixed. Okay. To turn it, leave it, stop-o-matic. I listened to this song before it was popular. I listened to Discord before it was popular. I listened to Stay With Me before it was popular. TikTok ruins everything. I listened to Future Funk before it was popular. The only things I discovered newly because of TikTok was Playboy Cardi and funk music. But then again, I used to listen to Russian Hard Bass, so it doesn't really matter. I don't care. Ugh. Fun fact. I had no idea you could take damage by plunging from very high heights. Because I used Shao so frequently that I didn't really know that it was an actual thing. I'm on a time limit, baby. I'm on a time limit, baby. Wait. One with wind and cloud. Easy. There's more. One more over here. So yeah. Anyways, there's not much to go off of. It's been a long time since I've used Albedo. It really has. Ring, ring, ring. Where is it? There. What the hell? Hey, what? Wrong area. God, Jesus. Why you can't trust it? What the hell? Give me your stupid shit, bro. Hey, God, Jesus Christ. I'm about to die. I'm about to die here, bro. Ah, you the only one. Just bust out all the ults. Bust out all the ults. Okay, I didn't even get to do Yao's ult. It's okay though. And that's all. Let me go heal everyone and let's go build a snowman. You know, cause why not? Yeah. So it's been really long since, it's been a long time since I built Bennett. I mean, Albedo. Hello, Steven. Who's Steven? Who are you? What's the matter, sir? Are you constipated? Do you want some Tums? Is there anything else that I can do for you? Hello? No, nothing? Wow. I think I already talked to him before, I think. Joel? Joel? Calls him Jewel. Who names their kid Jewel? Okay. Huh.
Once the snow is thick enough, we can eat it.
Huh. I like it. Too much. Is there a way I can make another one? Ooh. Get stupid. Here, put that on. Maybe I can make a new one. Another one. Another one. Another one. What, I can't make another one? That's so dumb. That's so stupid. That's... Oh. I got it. The weapon's mine. Bingo. Well, how can I, you know, get my thing? I don't understand. Where can I, you know, purchase my thingos? How many more? Two more days. Okay, 2 more days. Arobedo! What? That's it? That's it? What? You only get 2? Is it because you get the other ones from the quest? Is that how? Is that why? Whoa, it just busted me up 2-fold. It's not even a word. Bingo, bingo, bingo. What's this? I can pull? Oh, I got a ton of this. I think it's because of Mona. It's because of Mona. Mona. Staff. Homa. Homa? No, not Homa. Why would I get a Homa? I know I'm not gonna get anything here. That's why I do that. Same thing when I do this, baby! Woo! Building that pity boy. That pity good boy. Yeah. Shut it, Shao. Oh my god. Anyways. You can make 4. But where? Where? What? I want my money back. This is a terrible game. Where's my where the... I think it's given to you. But anyways, In terms of that weapon you normally acquired. Not that. But, you know, look at all this here. Crazy. Crazy. This thing. Refinement material. Of course it is. Why would it not? That's right. The Widsifs. Swiss. Not that. Wrong button. Sacrifice it. The point is so I could get every single weapon or 5. That's basically the point. Sacrificial? Or like, suck my dick. I'm sorry. Yes, this thing exists. You can do that. These things are not needed anywhere else. Not only that, talent effect as well. The money is half, bro. Money's half, bro. It's not needed, bro. Bro. Shut it. I know. Wait, I could turn it on here. Do not disturb. Bingo. Yeah, it's on now. I didn't even have to go there. The two devices are just linked like that. It's so weird. I don't even know if it's like anything else. I don't even know if someone's gonna like hack into my computer and whatnot. Oh no, they're gonna find my fucking Yuka Kazami shrine. My 500 terabyte folder just full of Yuka from the fucking Kyo. Oh, I'm kidding. Shit. Anyway, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the books. Well, not only the books, them tablets, boy. Albedo. You do your magic. Do your magic. Bingo. Bingo road again. Gyro, Zeppeli. Wait a minute, it's not just that, is it? Bring it, babe, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop-o-matic, catch it, bring it, babe, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop-o-matic, catch it, bring it, babe, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop-o-matic. Oh yeah, it is this thing. This thing's gonna get all 5 in no time. How many refinements are there? It's like more. There's obviously more. You could just... Yeah, and then you just gotta get those things too. Which obviously I don't have enough of, because it's right here. You can only make 4, and for that you can only make 2. Yeah. As for the things such as this, I'll make like 6 of these, and then literally no more. I need to go farm these guys. It'd be cool to just destroy them with a monster team, but honestly, it's okay. I'm okay. I'm fine. I do not need it. Festering Desire. Literally used it on him. Now this is his weapon. They made this specifically for him. This works for no one but him. Not only that, it matches his color palette excellently. This is pretty cool. So now this can go on someone else now. And this goes on your boy, but I don't even know if it's like better or not. Like, look at his stats right now. These are his stats right now. Right? Obviously. The stats are like that, and then if you're to use his, if you're to change his weapon to this one, you see that his stuff went down, but it's honestly okay. It's alright, whatever. At least he has something for him, because that's like my main thing. I just want them to have something. That's it. I don't even understand what else to do now. It's kind of long.